Hi children, here we are in discussion of question and answers of the lesson sorting materials into groups. The very short answer type questions are: your first question, name the two main groups into which all objects around us can be classified. What are those two main groups? Living things and non-living things. We can divide the things or objects into two types, living and non-living things. And question number 2, name the two groups into which all living things can be classified, that is plants and animals, means autotrophs and heterotrophs. Third question, name two naturally occurring material and two man-made material. For example, rock and sand, they are naturally occurring material, and wall as well as glass, that is man-made. Next, name two material having luster, shiny appearance. Glass, steel, iron, means metals, they shine, and diamond also. Next, fifth question, name two materials without luster. Sand, soil, concrete, and as well as wood, plastic, they don't have luster. Next, sixth question, select those objects from the following which has shine. Glass bowl, steel spoon, diamond ring, they shines. Next, seventh question, state whether the following statements are true or false. Chalk dissolves in water, it is false. Sugar does not dissolve in water, it is also false. Oil mixes with water, it is false. Sand settles down in the water, yes, it's true. Vinegar dissolves in water, yes, it's true. A notebook has luster, no, it is false. A piece of wood floats on water, yes, it is true. Stone is transparent whereas glass is opaque, no, it is wrong. Eighth question, name the property in which steel and sponge different from each other. Steel and sponge are different from each other. Here the steel is hard, it won't be get scratched, and whereas sponge is smooth. So here we can divide these two by hard material and soft material, like that you can differ. Next, name the liquid which is miscible with the water and another liquid which is immiscible. For example, the alcohol and vinegar, they are miscible with the water. Why? Because they mix with the water. Whereas the liquids which do not dissolve in water like oil and petrol, they are immiscible liquids with the water. Ninth question, name one liquid which is miscible with 10th question, name two gases which dissolves in water to some extent. They are oxygen and carbon dioxide. 11th question, which of the following liquids form a single layer on mixing? That is water and glycerin. Water and glycerin, not the water and kerosene. Only water and glycerin forms a single layer. 12th question, state whether kerosene and petrol form a single layer or two layer on mixing. It forms two layer. Why? Because kerosene and petrol, they are immiscible with the water, that's why they they form two layers upon mixing with water. 13th question, what name is given to those material through which we cannot see at all, that is opaque material, through which we can see clearly, that is transparent, through which we cannot see clearly, that is translucent. Next, 14th question, name two objects made from transparent material. Window glasses and as well as spectacles, they are made up of transparent material. Next, name two objects which made from opaque material. Cardboard and wall, our body, bones, they are opaque materials. Next, name two transparent liquids. Alcohol, water, glycerin, oil, they are transparent liquids. Next, fill in the blanks. Mustard oil and water are immiscible liquids. Water and milk are miscible liquids. A piece of glass is transparent but piece of cardboard is opaque material. Next, come to short answer question. Name two materials which are lighter than the water and two material heavier than the water. For example, the quill of the bird and as well as the wood, it is lighter than the water, and metals like coins and iron nails, they are heavier than the water. 19th question, name two materials which float on the water. Plastic, wood and quills, cotton, etc. And two which sink in water. Iron nail, coin and seeds, they sink in water. Next, 20th question, which of the following materials are heavier than the water and lighter than the water? Wood, lighter than water. Chalk, heavier than water. Oil, lighter than water. Kerosene, lighter than water. Iron, heavier than water. Copper, heavier than water. Ice, lighter than water. Aluminium, heavier than water. Plastic, lighter than water. Stone, heavier than the water. 21st question, which of the following material will float on the water and which sink in water? Iron nail sinks, plastic toy float, rubber cube of ice float, sawdust float, sand sink, dry leaves float. 22nd question, A. Name two solid materials which soluble in water. Sugar and salt. Name two solid materials which insoluble in water. Sand and plastic. 23rd question, which of the following soluble in water, which of them insoluble in water? Groundnut oil, insoluble. Potassium permanganate, soluble. Alum, soluble. Wax, insoluble. Sugar, soluble. Sand, insoluble. Petrol, insoluble. Nitrogen, insoluble. Oxygen, soluble. Copper sulfate, soluble. Methane, soluble. 24th question, separate the following into natural materials and man-made. Nylon, man-made. Water, natural. Coal, natural. Paper, man-made. Wood, natural. Wool, natural. Plastic, man-made. Glass, man-made. Steel, man-made. Gold, man-made. Name the 25th question, name the materials each which can be used for making following object. Chair, wood and plastic. Cloths, it is prepared by nylon and as well as cotton. Coin, by metal and as well as by plastic coins. And utensils, they are prepared by plastic, glass and as well as metals. Shoes, leather shoes or cotton shoes you can prepare. Next, name two objects which can be made from following material. Glass, doors, windows, etc. Iron, chair, nail, table, etc. Copper, wires and puja utensils. And aluminium, the bowls that we are using to cook, and electric wires. Next, 27th question, name five objects each which can be made from following material. Wood, door, chair, window and table, board, they are made up of wood. Cotton, cloth, pillow, quills, mattress, they are prepared by cotton. Leather, shoes, bags, belts, handbags, etc. Paper, book, notes, etc. 28th question, classify the following materials having luster and those who don't have luster. Gold pendant, lustrous. Wooden table, non-lustrous. Sand, non-lustrous. Aluminium sheet, lustrous. Glass mirror, lustrous. Sheet of paper, non-lustrous. Leather sofa, non-lustrous. Brass door, lustrous. Stainless steel, lustrous. And jute bag, non-lustrous. Next, 29th question, classify the following into transparent, translucent and opaque material. Butter paper, translucent. Cardboard, opaque. Glass, ground glass, translucent. Clear glass, transparent. Water, transparent. Air, transparent. Brick wall, opaque. Aluminium sheet, opaque. Next, 30th question, Classify the following into hard material and soft material. Cotton soft, iron hard, diamond hard, chalk soft, wood hard, wax soft, clay soft, sponge soft, bone hard, feather soft. So by this we completed question and answers. We'll start new lesson with a new session.